If you've been struggling with receding gums, bleeding gums, bad breath, cavities, or yellow teeth, you're definitely not alone. These issues are incredibly common and they can affect your confidence and overall health. But what if I told you that there's a soft mineral that you can use right at home to tackle all of these problems? And the best part? It's all natural, and thousands of people have already used it to restore their oral health. Imagine being able to rebuild your gums, stop the bleeding, freshen your breath, prevent cavities, and whiten your teeth without the need for expensive treatments or dental procedures. Sounds amazing, right? Stick with me because I'm about to share how this soft mineral works and how you can use it to completely transform your smile at home. First, let's talk about receding gums. This is a common issue where the gums pull away from the teeth, exposing more of the tooth and its root. Not only does this make your teeth look longer, but it also increases sensitivity and risk for infections. Using this soft mineral has been shown to help naturally rebuild gum tissue by supporting the regeneration of the cells that protect and strengthen your gums. Now, if you're dealing with bleeding gums, this mineral works wonders. Bleeding gums are often a sign of gum disease or inflammation, and this mineral can reduce that inflammation, promoting faster healing and stopping the bleeding. It's a simple, easy solution you can incorporate into your daily routine. But that's not all. Have you ever felt self-conscious about bad breath? Maybe you've tried mouthwashes or gum, but the smell keeps coming back. Well, this soft mineral targets the root cause of bad breath by eliminating harmful bacteria in your mouth. It provides long-lasting freshness, unlike those temporary fixes that just mask the problem. Let's not forget about cavities and yellow teeth. Cavities are caused by bacteria that erode the enamel on your teeth, leading to decay. This mineral has properties that strengthen enamel, helping to prevent future cavities and tooth decay. Plus, its natural whitening effects can remove stains and give you a brighter, healthier-looking smile, all from the comfort of your own home. Now, I know what you might be thinking. Can it really be that simple? Yes, it can. Thousands of people have already experienced the incredible benefits of this mineral, and you can too. If you're ready to learn exactly how to use this mineral and start rebuilding your gums, stopping bleeding, getting rid of bad breath, and more, click the link in the description below. You'll find a short video that explains how to use this soft mineral at home step by step. Trust me, you don't want to miss this opportunity to take control of your oral health. Imagine how it would feel to smile confidently without worrying about gum disease, bad breath, or yellow teeth. In just a few minutes a day, you can start seeing real results, and it all starts with this soft mineral. So what are you waiting for? Click the link in the description, watch the video, and start transforming your oral health today. Your gums, your teeth, and your confidence will thank you. Don't let these common issues hold you back any longer. Take action now. Click the link below, watch the short video, and discover how this simple solution can change your life. You've got nothing to lose and so much to gain.